Welcome to our BMLT and DMLT books and notes channel, your go-to destination for lab technician and paramedical study support. Whether you are preparing for exams, viva, or practicals, here you'll find clear, detailed, and easy to understand content covering biochemistry, pathology, hematology, sample vials, lab instruments, and more. Topic: Blood and its composition. Blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It is made up of solid and liquid. The liquid part called plasma. Plasma is made up of water, salts and minerals. Overlay of our blood is plasma. The solid part of our blood contain RBC, WBC and platelets. Red blood cells, RBC, deliver oxygen from your lungs to your tissues and organs. Total volume of blood is 5 to 8 liters. Its specific gravity is to 1050 to 1060, viscosity is 4 to 5 times more than the water. Blood is composed of that cells and plasma. It composed of two ingredients, that cell and plasma. Cell. Cell is defined as the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known living organisms. Cells are the autonomous, self-replicating the smallest unit of life and also called the building block of life. Latin word, cella, means small room. Branch of biology where we study cell is called cell biology, cellular biology or cytology. 1665 English scientist and architect Robert Hooke. The cellular elements of blood represents 45% of the blood volume. Properties or characteristics of blood: color equals red, pH equals slightly alkaline 7.35 minus 7.45, 7.4. Volume equals about 7-8%, 5-6 liters in adults. Temperature equals 38 degrees Celsius, 1004 degree Fahrenheit. Specific gravity equals 1.002 minus 1.062. Composition of blood. Greater than blood plasma, 55% blood cells, 45. Blood plasma, the liquid portion of blood. Blood plasma consists of 91-92% of water and 8-9% of solids. Solid substance: carbohydrates, fats, enzymes, antibodies, amino acids. Gases, resp. Gases, plasma proteins, non-protein nitrogen substance. Function of blood. It help in transportation of respiratory gases, nutrients, waste products. It maintain homeostasis in all fluids. Blood protect us from excessive by clotting after injury. It also protect from infection. It also help in maintain the body temperature. There are three types functions of blood. Transportation, regulation, protection. Transportation: it transports O2 from lungs to body tissue and CO2 from the cells to the lungs. Cells do the lungs. It transports nutrients from the alimentary tract to the tissue. It transports hormones from the endocrine gland to their target gland and to tissues. It transports waste products of cellular metabolism from body tissue to excretory organ like the kidney. It transports heat produced in active tissues to other active tissue. Regulation. It regulates acid-base balance or pH through of the distribution of buffer. It regulates the amount of an electrolyte in body fluid, properties of its water contention. It regulates body temperature by increasing or decreasing blood flow to the skin and through the heat absorption of coolant, properties of its water content. Protection: phagocytic WBC and specialized plasma protein and antibodies protect the body against microorganisms and toxins. Clotting mechanism: protects against blood loss. Plasma proteins. It is a straw-colored and transparent fluid. The plasma proteins are mainly synthesized from reticuloendothelial cells of the liver. There are three types of plasma proteins is present. Albumin, globulin, fibrogen. Albumin plays an important role in buffer action. 2. It also plays an important role in maintaining osmotic pressure of blood. 3. Deficiency of albumin may cause edema, e.g. nephrotic syndrome. Normal level 4.7 gm.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like our study channel. Subscribe, share and like.